2016 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: trip computer, day-night rear view mirror, outside temperature gauge, cloth seat trim, perimeter alarm, engine immobilizer, body color door handles, 4-piece floor mat set, smart device integration. Come see the car for yourself.